Good day, my friends, and welcome. In this video, I'm showing you how to make products smaller on Shopify. Okay, so firstly, the quickest way to make product cards smaller without editing code is by increasing your grid columns. So in order to begin, just log in into your Shopify admin, which I am right here. Navigate to Online Store, navigate to Themes, and next to your theme, just press Add a Theme. Okay, now you can use the top drop-down menu to switch from homepage, right over here, to your default collection. So you go to Products and you choose Default Collection. If you don't have it here, you will need to go ahead and choose right here, Default Collection. So on the left sidebar, which is here, click on Product Grid if you have it. So right here on the left, you should have it right here. Just choose Collection and find it. For example, I choose Product Card. Pretty much the same thing, and scroll down on desktop layout and change number of columns on desktop to a specific number that you want, for example from 3 to 4 to 5 or 6. And next, in that same product grid settings panel, look for image ratio. So if your photos look oversized vertically, switch the ratio from portrait or adapt to image to square or landscape right here, square or landscape. And then save the changes right here. And also scroll down to the mobile layout section. You can also change it right here. And change the mobile grid settings from 1 column to 2 for mobile, so products don't appear massive when viewed on smartphone screens. So just do these changes, guys, and you should be good to go. Enjoy.